My name is Tariq, and my YouTube name is Viet Packy. Right now, I am having Hủ Tiếu Mi. So this is a type of pho from South Vietnam. It's pronounced Hủ Tiếu. It's different than pho. Traditional pho is from the north, but we are in the south and they have their own style, which is called Hủ Tiếu. Ooh, I'm really excited for this. It looks really good. Haven't had Hủ Tiếu for a long time. Then as you can see, I grabbed all of the vegetables to add to this Hủ Tiếu. What's going on, everyone? Just checking out of An Nam corner. Heading to my next hotel now. It's Sunny Hotel. Right now I'm leaving An Nam. Now I'm walking to my new hotel called Sunny Hotel. As you can see, I'm on Bui Vinh Street. Bui Vinh Street. You can see how it's much more quiet than at night. That's a place where you can rent motorbikes for tours. Here I am just in front of meeting up with my buddy Goom and his wife. What's going on, man? How are you? I like the menu, it's so colorful.
Does your mom cook Vietnamese food for you?
All the time. All the time. I want to learn it.
This is what happens when you're Vietnamese food.
So what is this one called?
It's called Nem Nướng Nha Trang, which is I like this just because I'm from Nha Trang. I was born in Nha Trang.
Yeah.
And this is like what the thing that we do here. So when I go and I see a place that has like this kind of food, I usually order it. It reminds me of my hometown.
That's cool. That's cool. This looks delicious. This is
It's pretty much barbecue bacon.
Oh,
Barbecue bacon.
this is rice paper.
Got it. Just an interesting container. I haven't seen it like this before. First time.
And then this is for right one. And if you want to make it wet, put it under another case.
Got it.
They have two cases.
Ah, cool. The second one is for
water.
water.
Yeah.
From Sunny Hotel, this is the 6th floor. And I am leading all of y'all to my hotel room. This is my room right here. really nice room, you guys. What's up everybody, this is Tariq. Just doing a little bit of cinematic footage. Check this out, right? Look this way. Hey Jake, this is for you.
Oh please, oh me, oh my.
Vin, Tran, and Z. So I just met up with them for dinner at Tên là Đài Lộc. So I met up with Tran and their son Vin and Z. I got them this really cute shirt for a gift for their son. Dễ thương quá. Dễ thương quá. See? Này. And he ordered some mì gói hay là yeah?
Noodle không phải mì gói.
Oh, I see. And this
Chinese noodle.
Chinese noodle, and then this one's
Try it.
clam. So I'm here having some drink and snacks with Zidi, Tiger, their son Vin, and their friend, and then Zidi's cousin, and then Bang Tran, Zidi. Obviously myself, I'll show you guys the video later on. Oh my gosh, this is frog.
Hôm qua hẹn xong bể kèo, hẹn lại thứ sau. Ai biết mày.
Grill. Grill.
Grill.
Quen cái nó ra có 2 cái đám cưới. Nó quen à? Ủa, quán bạn chị sau bây giờ mới ra nhậu. Không bây giờ ngủ thôi.
Dạo này biết chỗ gì chỗ đi chơi rồi.
Yo! So CD just picked me up this ticket, including all of us. There's a lady that distributes the tickets, and the prize is 100,000 US dollars for these tickets. These are lottery tickets in Vietnam.